Join me as I challenge myself to try out these 10 no-sugar, no-carb foods that every senior should eat. As we age, our bodies undergo a lot of changes, and our dietary needs are no exception. A no-sugar, no-carb diet can be especially beneficial for seniors, helping to manage blood sugar levels, maintain healthy weight, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By making informed food choices, seniors can take control of their health and well-being. This is particularly important as our bodies become less efficient at processing sugar and carbs. Many of us love sweet treats and carb-heavy foods, but the truth is, they can have a significant impact on our health. Consuming high amounts of sugar and carbs can lead to energy crashes, mood swings, and even contribute to conditions like diabetes and heart disease. For seniors, it's crucial to be mindful of these dietary pitfalls and make conscious choices to avoid them. With a little planning and creativity, it's easy to create a balanced and delicious diet that meets their needs. Seniors often face unique challenges when it comes to their diets. Digestive issues, dental problems, and decreased appetite can make mealtime a struggle. Adding to this, many seniors may have limited mobility, making it harder to shop for and prepare healthy foods. It's essential to address these issues and find ways to make healthy eating easy and accessible. By doing so, seniors can maintain their independence and enjoy a better quality of life. Let's dive into the top 10 no-sugar, no-carb foods that every senior should consider adding to their diet. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help combat inflammation and support overall health. They're also incredibly versatile. Add them to salads, smoothies, or sauté them with garlic as a side dish. Leafy greens are an excellent source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion and prevent constipation. Next, we have fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even help with brain function. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, and consider grilling, baking, or poaching for a healthy and flavorful meal. Fatty fish are also an excellent source of protein, which can help seniors maintain muscle mass and strength. Eggs are another excellent no-sugar, no-carb food that seniors can enjoy. They're an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, and can be prepared in a variety of ways. Boil them, scramble them, or make an omelet with veggies for a nutritious breakfast. Eggs are also very affordable and accessible, making them a great option for seniors on a budget. Avocados are a rich source of healthy fats, fiber, and various essential vitamins and minerals. They can help lower cholesterol levels, improve digestion, and even support bone health. Add sliced avocado to omelets, salads, or enjoy as a guacamole dip. Avocados are also very versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from smoothies to baked goods. Another great option is olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Use it as a finishing oil for dishes, or as a healthy alternative to butter or other oils. Olive oil has been shown to support heart health and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent addition to a senior's diet. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are also great no-sugar, no-carb foods. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and can help support heart health and digestion. Enjoy them as a snack on their own, or add them to oatmeal or yogurt for extra crunch and nutrition. Nuts and seeds are also very portable, making them a great option for seniors on the go. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it an excellent addition to a senior's diet. It can help support bone health, digestion, and even reduce inflammation. Look for low-sodium options and enjoy as a snack or add to salads. Cottage cheese is also very versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from smoothies to baked goods. Tomatoes are another great option, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can help support immune function, heart health, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. Enjoy them fresh in salads, or cooked in sauces and soups. Tomatoes are also very affordable and accessible, making them a great option for seniors on a budget. Mushrooms are a nutrient-dense food that's low in carbs and sugar, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can help support immune function, heart health, and even reduce inflammation. Add them to soups, stews, or sauté them with garlic as a side dish. Mushrooms are also very versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Bell peppers are another crunchy and delicious no-sugar, no-carb food that seniors can enjoy. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and can help support immune function and heart health. Enjoy them raw in salads, or roasted as a side dish. Bell peppers are also very affordable and accessible, making them a great option for seniors on a budget. Cucumbers are a refreshing and hydrating no-sugar, no-carb food that's perfect for seniors. They're low in calories, rich in vitamins and minerals, and can help support digestive health. Enjoy them sliced in salads, or as a snack on their own. Cucumbers are also very portable, making them a great option for seniors on the go. One of the most surprising benefits of these no-sugar, no-carb foods is their potential to support brain health. For example, research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish can help reduce the risk of dementia and cognitive decline. By incorporating these foods into their diet, seniors can take proactive steps to support their brain health and maintain their cognitive function. The benefits of a no-sugar, no-carb diet are clear, and incorporating these 10 foods can have a significant impact on a senior's health. From leafy greens to fatty fish, eggs, and avocado, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options to choose from. By making informed food choices, seniors can take control of their health. Incorporating these foods into a senior's diet can be easy and enjoyable. Try meal prepping, cooking in bulk, or experimenting with new recipes to find healthy and delicious options. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. It's never too late to make a positive impact on your health. The key is to make sustainable lifestyle changes that can be maintained in the long term. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, seniors can enjoy a better quality of life and reduce their risk of chronic diseases. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to better health today. To recap, we've covered the top 10 no-sugar, no-carb foods that every senior should consider adding to their diet. These foods offer a range of benefits, from supporting heart health to reducing inflammation and improving digestion. By incorporating them into their diet, seniors can take proactive steps to support their overall health. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other video on 10 simple ways to boost your energy levels for more health tips and dietary advice.